Okay, so for today, I want to bring you some treatments. In the previous sessions, we spoke about the peeling line and we spoke about the mesotherapy line. And usually this is how we divide the information in terms of product categories. So we have these two major product lines, the peel therapy and the mesotherapy. And then, of course, we offer some of these treatments. We create a professional pack and offer them isolated. I mean, it's not the full protocol, but we will discuss that right after. But the most important products for the treatment, it's present in a professional treatment pack.
Taigi, sveiki visi. Aš šiandien vertėjausiu. Čia yra daktaras mano Amorim iš Portugalijos. Ir praeitus kartus buvo kalbėta apie cheminius šveitiklius iš MC Cosmetics, taip pat mezoterapijos liniją, o šiandien kalbėsime apie procedūras.
Most of the professionals, they like to structure their own treatments and they can select individually each product that they will use. What we want with these treatments is to facilitate the outcome of the treatment. So we select specific ingredients to achieve a specific result. So in this case, I will be mentioning the different treatments that we offer in Professional Pack. And then go analyzing some of its components and to structure also the way we can work with them to plan the session, but also to plan the treatment schedule. So we can discuss that for today. But also, if you have any questions about the professional treatments, you can always interrupt. Okay.
So, Mona, we were actually planning to talk about magic champagne treatment for today only, not other treatments.
Okay. Yes, we don't have time to speak about everything. I will just mention the different ones, and we can put the focus in the champagne, of course.
Taigi šiandien aptarsime magic champagne procedūrą. Daugelis profesionalų tikrai mėgsta turėti struktūrą savo procedūrose. Tai mes apie tą eiliškumą ir pakalbėsime ir taip pat pakalbėsime apie aktyviuosius ingredientus.
So let me just share in here the information. Okay, so these are the professional packs that MC Cosmetics offers. So there's one very important, the Melanopil professional pack. You have one version just with the professional products that we use, and then we have the full set with also care recommendations. Just activate here the mute. Okay, then another important treatment for us, it's the intimate whitening treatment. But for today, I want to highlight the Magic Champagne treatment. It's one of the most popular treatments that the brand has. And in fact, in here, only just the professional products necessary. But of course, the products necessary to prepare the skin are not present in the treatment pack. So we will also be mentioning those today. And the closing of the treatment, usually we follow the same structure of serum, cream, SPF, and those are also not present in the treatment pack. But the most important ingredients are present, and then we can complete the full protocol with the other products that I will be mentioning after.
Taigi, MC Cosmetics turi skirtingas procedūras, tai yra Melanopil pakuotės procedūra, taip pat yra Melanopil Professional, yra Intimate Whitening procedūra, taip pat Acne Treatment, o šiandien mes sutelksime dėmesį į Magic Champagne procedūrą, kuri yra geriausiai parduodama MC Cosmetics procedūra, tai yra bestselleris. Šios procedūros pakuotėje yra ne visi produktai reikalingi atlikti pilną procedūrą, nėra produktų paruošimui, veido nuvalymui ir taip pat nėra produktų užbaigimui. Tai yra kremo, serumo, bet apie šiuos žingsnius irgi bus aptarta.
Then, of course, one of the latest ones, it's the acne treatment. Even inside this treatment pack, you will find good solutions for acne treatments. But then if you opt to choose separated, isolated products that MC offers in its catalog, you will find several options that can be used for an acne treatment. This is just one possibility. So we created and we structured this treatment. But then, of course, you have other options, and I will be mentioning also what could be an alternative, a different possibility for acne treatment. And the last one, it's the intelligent eye pack that comes with also a device to stimulate the eye area. It's a kind of a massager with heat and vibration. And we combine these with several products, treatment ampoule and the alluropeptide serum.
Taip pat yra acne treatment, tai yra procedūra skirta į acne linkusiai odai. Tai galima taikyti čia esančius produktus, bet jeigu yra acne, tikrai galima parinkti ir kitus produktus iš MC Cosmetics asortimento. Na ir žinoma, yra odai aplink akis skirta procedūra kartu su specialiu įrenginiu.
What I was mentioning before is that MC offers the possibility of you creating your own treatment. And here it's an example on how we could structure this very simply. We can select one exfoliant from the catalog, select one chemical peel, and then to use one treatment ampoule and a specific cream. This is the basic, the most basic option of selecting one exfoliant, one chemical peel, and of course this choice of products are more directed to the acne case I was telling before. But also the treatment ampoule of vitamin A and the final cream of purifying. This could be a possibility, and this is the kind of thinking that we stimulate in the professionals, that they can understand our concept, our structure of treatment, and then they can adjust depending on the treatment that they have. Okay, so this was just an example on how you can create one treatment just based in one objective and in the different steps of a treatment protocol.
Kuo ypatinga MC Cosmetics, kad čia galima atrasti skirtingus produktus, iš kurių galima sudėlioti savo procedūrą. Tai pavyzdžiui, į acne linkusiai odai taip pat galima atlikti procedūrą su azelaino rūgštimi, salicilo rūgštimi, taikyti purifying kremą ir pritaikyti vitamino A ampulę. Tai svarbu perprasti MC Cosmetics asortimentą ir čia tikrai gali kiekvienas sukurti skirtingas procedūras.
So just to mention the other products, the Melanopil I spoke before, the acne treatment also described in terms of steps. But let me tell you more in detail about the Magic Champagne treatment. We will not go into detail on all the specificities of the treatment, but I want to give you a general approach on how we could perform this treatment. Sometimes that is the question people make. You offer a treatment pack, but then from this pack to the real session, what is the connection? So today I will be mentioning what are the products that compose this treatment pack, but also to structure a treatment session, a full protocol with Magic Champagne.
Taigi šiandien sutelksime dėmesį į Magic Champagne procedūrą, aptarsime, kaip iš tikrųjų naudoti tai, kas yra šios pakuotės turinyje, pilną protokolą, kaip atlikti procedūrą.
So for the Magic Champagne, we see that the main product, it's a kind of enzymatic mask, a multi-active mask, that it will bring a benefit similar to a chemical peel. So let's call it a multi-active peel or an enzymatic peel. And this is the highlight of the treatment. It's this kind of mask, but in fact, it's not a real mask. That's why I'm making the connection with the chemical peel, because in terms of result, it will be similar to a chemical peel. So we have this brightening effect that the treatment brings to the skin. So even if you don't have a pigmentation disorder, not blemishes in the skin, but you have this concern of bringing a brightening and whitening effect to the skin, Magic Champagne will provide that, but also to make the skin much more uniform in terms of the pores. The pore size is redefined, and all the skin turns with a much better aspect as well.
Taigi ši procedūra, jos pagrindą ko gero sudaro enzimatik šveitiklis. Kodėl sakau šveitiklis? Dėl to, kad tai nėra kaukė, aš prilyginu šį poveikį labiau šveičiamajam poveikiui ir šiek tiek panašiam į cheminio šveitiklio procedūros poveikį. Ir ką jis suteikia, tai suteikia švytėjimo odai, pašviesina odą, suteikia vientisesnį odos atspalvį, taip pat vizualiai sutraukia poras. Tai iš tikrųjų procedūra yra tinkama ne tik tiems, kurie turi hiperpigmentacijos problemų arba kokių nors dėmelių, yra tinkama visiems, kurie nori suteikti odai skaistumo, švytėjimo, gaivumo ir sulyginti odos atspalvį.
So those are the two main results that we can observe. But also we can see a clear improve in expression lines. But also to bring a protection, an extra antioxidant protection to the skin as well. And in the end of the session, it's also very visible, and people can feel it, a tightening effect in the skin. So it's a very complete, in terms of result, it's a very complete result. Of course, some of these benefits you can clearly feel and see in the end of the session. Some of them, in terms of the expression lines, the repetition of the procedure will be beneficial, and it will improve, of course, the results as well.
Tai čia yra pagrindiniai rezultatai, kurių galima pasiekti šios procedūros dėka. Tačiau kiti rezultatai, kurių galima pasiekti, tai taip pat yra sumažėjusios raukšlelės, stangrumas odos pagerėja. Tai iš tikrųjų galima sakyti, kad tai yra labai plataus spektro, plataus poveikio, universali procedūra, kuri veikia įvairius aspektus. Taip pat turi antioksidacinį poveikį. Tai galima sakyti, kad tai yra kiekvienos odos poreikiams pritaikyta procedūra.
So as a starting point, let's have this professional pack as our starting point. So this would be the highlight of the treatment. Of course, we would never start by making the champagne mask, that it's the highlight of the treatment. So before we pass to the champagne mask, we would do the total procedure of MC Cosmetic. And usually we start by removing the makeup with our biphasic, cleansing properly the skin with the cleansing milk, and toning with the facial toner. Only after that we will pass to a gentle exfoliation that also can be done with the salicylic solution that the brand offers as well.
Taigi, žinoma, pagrindinis akcentas procedūros tai yra champagne kaukė, ne visai kaukė, labiau kaip šveitiklis. Tuomet, žinoma, yra svarbu paruošti odą, tinkamai ją nuvalyti. Ir žinoma, dar kitas produktas, kurį galima čia priderinti, tai yra salicylic solution, salicylic tirpalas, kuris yra taip pat MC Cosmetics sūrumas.
Of course, this is the general protocol for every facial treatment in MC Cosmetic, and again, I will repeat the information about biphasic and milk and toner, depending on the way we prepare this treatment. Because if we do a previous session in advance, we can organize with the client. So then in the end, everything is prepared also on their side, because the application of biphasic, for example, I only see it as useful if someone has makeup. Anyway, the fact that we prepare the skin, it's quite important, even if people come to the session with a fully clean face. But the fact we prepare the skin, even the benefit that the cleansing milk and the facial toner brings, it's not decisive to the final outcome, but it's very important to prepare the skin to receive the products that then are in the treatment pack, and I will be mentioned right after.
Taigi yra skirtingi produktai, kurie gali būti taikomi odos paruošimui, tai yra ir dvifazės valiklis, ir prausiklis, ir pienelis. Ir iš tikrųjų paruošimas yra labai svarbus momentas prieš procedūrą, nes būtent odos paruošimas lemia kitų produktų skvarbą, tai procedūros metu taikomų produktų skvarbą ir poveikį odai. Tai pavyzdžiui, jeigu žmogus ateina be makiažo, tai galbūt dvifazės valiklis čia ir nėra būtinas, tačiau paruošti odą yra labai svarbu ir net jeigu žmogus ateina visiškai be makiažo, tinkamas odos paruošimas turi labai didelės reikšmės.
When you see the recommended protocol of MCCM for a chemical peel, we always recommend a pre-peel. And in the same line with the Magic Champagne, we also recommend that the skin is exfoliated. And in this case, we will use the champagne, the salicylic exfoliator prior to the champagne mask. So the last step before we apply the spray in the skin is to exfoliate with the salicylic solution.
Taigi, kaip ir su visomis kitomis MC Cosmetics procedūromis, taip ir su šia mes rekomenduojame visą laiką atlikti tokią priešveitiminę procedūrą, pripil kokį nors produktą paimti. Tai pavyzdžiui, šiuo atveju aš rekomenduočiau salicylic tirpalą, kuris puikiai paruoš odą šiai procedūrai.
After that, so we consider these 3-4 steps, the initial introduction to the treatment. After it's done, then we have the clean skin, the pores are unblocked, the dead cells are removed. So that's the perfect scenario to start the treatment. And we will use this spray to humidify the skin, but also to make the powder connected with the skin, so it's not falling after we apply the powder. So we apply the spray all over the face and we spread the product in the face before we apply the vitamin C on the top of this powder.
Taigi, kai atlikti jau yra šie 3-4 odos nuvalymo žingsniai, po to mes turime švarią odą, neužkimštas poras, oda yra visiškai švari, pašalintos negyvos odos ląstelės ir pasiruošusi procedūrai. Tada mes taikome šį Humidify purškiklį, kuris skirtas sudrėkinti odai, ir tada dedame miltelius. Jis reikalingas tam, kad milteliai gerai priliptų prie veido ir susilietų su purškikliu.
So the vitamin C will activate this powder and it will create a bubbling effect. In fact, it's what gives the treatment the name, this kind of champagne effect. And what we recommend is to spread very gently, not pressing too much, because this powder will not dilute immediately. So it still has an abrasive mechanical action in the skin. So we gently spread it while making mechanical exfoliation. So the idea is from one side to spread the powder so it acts in all the face, but also to use the powder as a scrub, but as I mentioned, very gently.
Taigi vitaminas C aktyvuos miltelius ir atsiras burbuliukų efektas. Nuo to ir yra kilęs pavadinimas šampano procedūra, nes atsiranda tokie kaip šampano burbuliukai. Ir labai reikia švelniai paskirstyti visą sudėtį, visus miltelius, nes jie neištirps taip greitai, neištirps iš karto ir gausis šiek tiek mechaninės eksfoliacijos. Tai šį žingsnį atlikti reikėtų labai švelniai.
Of course, when I said it's not replacing a mask, it's because it looks like a mask. It will be present in all the face and with a few minutes, it will start to look white again. So it will dry out and become a powder again. But in fact, it's not a mask and it's not replacing a mask. So the result, it's more similar to a chemical peel than exactly to a mask, which means that after we will reactivate again this powder when it starts to show again and the drying off. We can reactivate again this powder before we remove. And of course, after we remove this powder, we will proceed as in a different facial treatment that we recommend a facial mask. So we will do that also during this treatment.
Na tai nors ir šie milteliai užtepti ant odos atrodo kaip kaukė, matosi kaip kaukė, yra baltos spalvos, na išdžiūvus vėl tampa milteliais. Ir iš tikrųjų tai nėra kaukė. Kaip ir minėjau anksčiau, tai rezultatas yra panašesnis į šveitiklio. Na ir mes galime vėl reaktyvuoti miltelius prieš nuvalant. Ir žinoma, po nuvalymo jau rekomenduojame tepti kaukę, nes tai nėra kaukė, tai yra labiau kaip šveitiklis.
And after this mask, shortly we will do the closing of the treatment, having in consideration not only the objective of the treatment, but also the skin type and the skin moment, the skin conditions. So we can decide which mask to choose. We can choose just focus in hydration, or we can choose according to a specific skin type. So all the products we will use after these the ones that are present in the treatment pack, it has to do with the client we are treating and also the benefits we are trying to bring to the treatment. But usually we close with a serum, with a facial cream and SPF. So as you see, there's both this preparation of the skin, closing of the treatment. They are not present in the treatment pack, and these products that we will be using are also adjusted in terms of the skin type that we are treating. The preparation of the skin, as we know in MC Cosmetics, is quite general, so we will not make any change. We just remove the makeup, we clean, we tone, and we exfoliate. So not many options regarding the preparation of the skin, but the closing of the treatment should be really adjusted to the specific needs of the people we are treating, the person we are treating in this case. So only the highlight of the treatment is present in the professional pack.
Ir po kaukės, žinoma, reikalingas procedūros užbaigimas, kurį mes atliekame remiantis odos būklę, odos tipų ir, žinoma, kokiu rezultatu norime pasiekti. Tai MC Cosmetics asortimente yra labai daug produktų skirtų būtent užbaigimui, yra labai daug skirtingų produktų, tai pasirinkti tikrai yra iš ko. Tai mes uždarome su serumu, kremu ir SPF. Na ir žinoma, paruošimas tai yra dažniausiai vienas variantas, nėra daug variantų MC Cosmetics asortimente, jis yra universalus, na, o jau procedūros užbaigimas yra pritaikomas pagal kiekvieno kliento poreikius.
Some of the recommendations of the brand, if you look close to the protocols that are recommended by the brand, in some of these proposals you won't see the mask, and in fact you will see some professionals that they speak about the champagne mask as a regular mask. In my opinion, we have some benefit in doing also a regular mask after the champagne, but it's not a mandatory step. Okay, so we can pass directly from the champagne mask directly to the closing of the treatment. But in my opinion, we get more benefits if we do a mask after the champagne treatment.
Taigi ir gamintojų rekomendacijos yra po procedūros taikyti kaukę ir mano nuomonė tikrai reikalinga yra kaukė būtent po champagne procedūros.
We can see a good result in one session. Anyway, the recommendation of the brand is that we can repeat this procedure between 3 and 6 sessions in the most severe cases, but a minimum number of 3 sessions. with 2 or 3 weeks in between, it's what gives the best result possible.
Taigi čia matome rezultatą po vienos procedūros. Na, žinoma, gamintojo rekomendacijos yra atlikti 3-6 procedūrų kursą, kas 2-3 savaitės su tokiais tarpais. Tai iš tikrųjų 6 procedūrų jau reikia labai sunkiais atvejais, bet iš esmės pakanka dažniausiai apie 3 procedūras atlikti, kas 2-3 savaitės.
From our experience, the feedback to the treatment, it's quite good. So both professionals and clients, they like the results. What we can see is in the beginning, a bit challenge with the protocol, with the application. Some professionals, they mentioned that the treatment can be a bit messy in the beginning, but what we see quite clear is that it has to do with the way people learn to do it. So I think after 2 or 3 applications, the professionals, they get used to the procedure and they end up really liking the result they can get. Just it's a matter of learn how to deal with the powder product, because if you apply the powder in the face, then if it's falling apart, then it becomes a bit messy. After the moment you learn how to deal with the powder, and I can give you also some practical tips in terms of demonstration. Also, when we organize the Congress, we can make these also one of the points, how to make the procedure in a more efficient way. Then the professionals, they end up really enjoying this treatment because of the result that offers. But also because of the clear feeling of the client in the end of the session. So this tightening feeling of the skin, it's very strong and people can feel it. And it's not easy to achieve this kind of tightening effect in one session. And with Magic Champagne, we can really get it.
Tai iš patirties tiek klientų, tiek specialistų atsiliepimai apie šią procedūrą yra labai geri. Yra tik tai vienas aplikavimo iššūkių protokolo metu, tai kad kai žmogus dar yra nepratęs atlikti šios procedūros, tai gali būti šiek tiek netvarkinga, nes viskas priklauso nuo procedūros atlikimo būdo. Reikia išmokti dirbti su milteliais, kad jie, pavyzdžiui, nekristų nuo veido, bet kiekvienas profesionalas tikrai perpranta šią procedūrą po 2-3 kartų, kai pats ją atlieka, ir išmokus ją atlikti, jokių nesklandumų nebebūna tos netvarkos, kad kristų milteliai. Na ir iš tikrųjų rezultatai yra labai įspūdingi, nes nėra daug tokių procedūrų, kad po vienos procedūros jau matytume tokį ryškų pašviesėjimo efektą, tokią švytinčią šviesią odą. O su Magic Champagne tai matoma jau po pirmos procedūros.
Many times people ask if it's this treatment for which skin types, for which skin needs. Is it suitable for everyone or not? Is it just for mature skin? Is it indicated for pigmentation? So sometimes it's challenging to understand, because when we see, for example, the melanopil, we understand it's clear the purpose of the treatment is for pigmentation, and for people who has this kind of who have this kind of disorder. In Magic Champagne, it's not so clear the objective and the skin type that we are looking for. And in fact, it's suitable for much more people than more specific treatment. Of course, mature skins, photo-damaged skins will benefit a lot with this treatment. But in fact, it's suitable for all skin types. What we can see in the practice is the most reactive and sensitive skins. So it can happen, I would say, 5% of the people who receive this treatment, they can have redness occurring during the treatment. And in some cases, it can last 1 to 2 hours. So it can last from 1 to 2 hours. But what we see is that after these 1 or 2 hours, it's totally reduced and the result will be quite good. So when it happens with you, if you are doing champagne treatment and you see a major redness occurring, note that this is a normal reaction for the most reactive and sensitive skins. It will happen. Maybe when you finish the treatment, it's still occurring, but note that this redness will reduce in 1 or 2 hours. The result of the treatment will not be compromised by this redness, so the full result is expected to be seen after this redness is gone. But note that this is something that it will happen, okay? So don't think something is wrong when it happens, because it's part of the normal reactions with a reactive skin.
Na tai su Magic Champagne procedūra iš tikrųjų tampa šiek tiek kebliau iš pirmo žvilgsnio suprasti, kokiam odos tipui, kokiems odos poreikiams ji yra tinkama ir reikalinga, ar tinka visiems, ar tinka brandžiai odai, ar hiperpigmentacijos požymiais pasižyminčiai odai. Na, pavyzdžiui, su Melanopil procedūra viskas aišku, kad tai yra odai su pigmentinėmis dėmėmis. Su Magic Champagne tie klientai nėra apibrėžti, tačiau esmė yra tame, kad tinka daugumai žmonių ši procedūra. Tinka tiek brandžiai odai, tiek odai su hiperpigmentacijos požymiais, tinka visiems odos tipams. Tiesiog reikia turėti omenyje keletą niuansų. Tai kad, pavyzdžiui, hiperaktyviai odai gali sukelti paraudimą, kuris gali tęstis 1-2 valandas, bet kai praeina, rezultatas yra matomas, rezultatas vis tiek lieka geras ir tai yra normali reakcija labai jautriai odai. Tai turėkite tai omenyje ir neišsigąskite, jeigu procedūros metu žmogui su jautria oda atsiranda raudonis. Ir jis matosi ir po procedūros, tačiau, kaip ir sakė, po 1-2 valandų raudonis praeina ir tai nepaveikia rezultato. Rezultatas vis tiek bus geras.
It's very interesting when we launch a treatment in the market, because we have this idea on how to do it and what it's for. And we as manufacturers, we are very confident when we launch a new treatment in the market. But then it's very interesting to see what happens to this same treatment when it's getting its own life in the market. And this happens a lot with the Magic Champagne, that sometimes people bring us different ways of applying it. So this way that I mentioned of spreading the powder, using the vitamin on the top of the powder. So this is just our recommendation, but then in the end, there's several ways of applying. And I also like to share that with the professionals. Some people, they get a small bowl and they make the mixing of the powder and the ampoule in this bowl and then apply directly in the skin. Some professionals, they opt to put big quantities in the face and then to apply the liquid on the top. Others prefer to spread all over the powder. So there's many different ways. That's why I said before that after a few treatments, the professionals, they tend to like a lot the treatment, but also because they learn their own way of doing it the best way. So I've seen many different ways of apply, and I think it's also interesting to share that with the professionals. Also, what I've seen in my visits to the clients is that sometimes people opt to mix the powder with a different ampoule instead of the vitamin C, because they want to see something different. They want to make the treatment go into a different direction, which is also something very interesting, to see this critical thinking about the products and the way to structure the treatments.
Tai labai įdomu buvo iš tikrųjų, kai išleido kompanija šią procedūrą į rinką. Tai žinoma, jie kaip gamintojai labai pasitikė savimi ir savo procedūrą, bet įdomu stebėti, kaip procedūra paskui gyvena savo gyvenimo rinkoje. Ir specialistai randa naujus būdus ją taikyti. Tai pavyzdžiui, jų rekomendacija yra ant Humidify purškiklio skirstyti miltelius ant veido. Tačiau kiti profesionalai atranda kitus būdus. Kiti, pavyzdžiui, daro mišinį. Miltelius sumaišo su ampulės turiniu ir išmaišo, tada tepa ant veido. Na ir po kelių procedūrų kiekvienas profesionalas jau labai pamėgsta šią procedūrą ir pradeda ją taikyti savais būdais. Tai kai Nuno lankosi pas profesionalus, jis yra pastebėjęs, kad kai kurie žmonės, pavyzdžiui, maišo miltelius ne su vitaminu C, o su kokia nors kita ampulė. Patys eksperimentuoja, patys bando atrasti skirtingus poveikius.
About this treatment, I have also the fact that it causes some redness. Just for you to understand, I have also a nice story about this treatment because I was in Baku in Azerbaijan promoting MC, and I want to impress director of a spa, and I said, why don't you receive this treatment? It's very good. So we volunteered to receive the treatment, and it happened this that I mentioned, that it occurs a major redness. So I was not happy with it because I want to promote the brand. I want to show a very good treatment. And then in the end, it happens this kind of redness, and I was a bit frustrated. The truth is that after 2 hours, the director came to me and said, Nuno, the redness is totally gone, and I'm really impressed about the result. So in fact, it was a good idea that we could offer him the Magic Champagne because he was super happy. And usually this is what happens, okay? So every time this major redness occurs, don't stress out because it will very easily and fast, it will be gone, and the result reveals itself, and it's always a beautiful result in the skin.
Taigi ši procedūra sukelia šiek tiek raudonio ir tikrai daugeliu atveju ji gali jį sukelti. Tai jis papasakojo savo istoriją, kai jis buvo Baku, Azerbaidžiane, ir jis labai norėjo padaryti įspūdį spa direktoriui. Na ir jisai pagalvojo, kad tikrai išrinks Magic Champagne procedūrą, ir jis ją pasiūlė, atliko ir atsirado labai didelis raudonis. Jis iš tikrųjų tikrai sunerimo, iš pradžių netgi nusivylė, kad kodėl siūlė šią procedūrą, bet tiesa yra ta, kad po 2 valandų tas direktorius atėjo ir pasakė, kad raudonis praėjo ir jis labai yra patenkintas rezultatu. Tai iš tikrųjų labai svarbu prisiminti tai, kad raudonis praeis, o rezultatas liks ir tai bus nuostabus rezultatas.
So regarding this treatment, I think it's also interesting if you can put your own questions about the treatment. I'm not sure if any of you tried the protocol, if someone has doubts about the procedure. From what I see, that is the difference between having strong confidence in the treatment or not. It's the part on how to do it, how to perform it, and to understand really the treatment. So I think there's a challenge in the beginning on how to understand the treatment, how to understand the procedure, but also how to understand who is the best person to receive this treatment. And regarding that, of course, we mentioned the mature skins are the more adjusted, but not only that, because we can see this clear objective of having a brightening and whitening effect, the size of the pores, which makes also a good treatment for acneic, oily combination skin that tends to have these dilated pores. So we can see the spectrum of the people who can receive this treatment. It's huge. So then how to decide on who will receive it. So if you have any question, we can discuss on how to select the treatment, who would be ideally elected for this kind of treatment, or if you want to bring some other question, I would be glad to discuss that with you.
Na tai iš tikrųjų būtų labai įdomu išgirsti iš jūsų pusės, galbūt kažkas jau yra bandę šią procedūrą, galbūt turi klausimų ir norėtų paklausti kažko konkretaus, nes iš tikrųjų procedūra pačioje pradžioje kelia klausimą, kokį odai galima ją taikyti. Tai atsakymas yra tas, kad galima taikyti visoms odoms, visiems odos tipams, skirtingoms estetinėms problemoms spręsti, nes tikrai bus suteiktas teigiamas poveikis ir odai linkusi į aknę, ir hiperpigmentaciją, Tai iš tikrųjų klauskite, galbūt turite klausimų nebūtinai apie šią procedūrą, galbūt turite iš esmės kokių nors klausimų, padiskutuokime, kur galima taikyti Magic Champagne procedūrą, kokiems klientams, kaip parinkti ją tinkamai ir taip toliau.
So if no questions, I can be discussing possibilities on how to close. So the preparation is general. The peak of the treatment, it's the products that are present in the professional pack. The closing, I always like to make something additionally. So if I'm more focused in treating the pores, then I will be selecting a serum and a cream that it's more for the anti-aging action. So whenever I look at the treatment, I try to make it more complete. So if the objective is the pigmentation, we know we can reinforce that with some cream. But if we are treating more than one condition, let's say there's pigmentation, but there's also some aging signs. So we always try to make it more complete on the steps that we have available. So the focus of the treatment will be with the champagne powder and mask. But then if we accumulate more than one need, let's say dilated pores, but also some aging signs and eventually some pigmentation spot, we can try to target and meet these different needs in the different steps that we have in a treatment.
Taigi, jeigu konkrečių klausimų neturite, mes galime aptarti, kaip reikėtų užbaigti procedūrą, nes paruošimas, kaip ir minėjau, yra universalus, bet procedūros užbaigimas, kokį kremą tepti, kokią ampulę panaudoti, tai yra individualus ir kiekvienu atveju galima pritaikyti skirtingai. Šią procedūrą, kadangi galima taikyti skirtingų odos poreikių turintiems žmonėms su skirtingomis estetinėmis problemomis, tai ir variantai, kaip užbaigti procedūrą, yra skirtingi atsižvelgiant į kiekvienos odos poreikius.
Even it's not a regular peel, we can see that some of the impact that it has in the skin, it's very similar to a chemical peel, which brings us also to the importance of a correct hydration of the skin, but also a very strict protection of the skin after the treatment. So we as professionals will make the closing of the treatment correctly, providing all the hydration the skin needs, providing also the SPF the skin needs, but we need to make sure that after the treatment, during the next 2 weeks, the protection of the skin will be very strict with the SPF. So in case the person needs, it needs to be a recommendation for home care regarding the protection of the sun.
Taigi, nors tai ir yra ne toks kaip reguliarų šveitikliai, tačiau odos pojūtis po procedūros yra kaip šveitiklio. Būna jausmas panašus į tai, ką jaučia žmogus po cheminio šveitimo. Tai reikalinga griežta odos apsauga po procedūros keletą dienų, visuomet būtinas žingsnis yra SPF, yra odos drėkinimas, tai reikia to nepamiršti ir atkreipti į tai ypatingą dėmesį.
As in any other treatment, we will always make sure we discuss this with the clients, the importance of a complete skincare routine, the protection of the skin in terms of the UV rays I already mentioned, and then the basics of the skin is to clean, to tone, and to moisturize. So these are the 3 basic steps that everyone should have. And I'm not even introducing here any kind of weekly routine of exfoliating, just the basic, and that everyone needs to know after a treatment. It will make a difference on the result of the treatment, but also on how it will last in time. And people have their own interest in making longer the result of a facial treatment. So this is very important, to clean, to tone, and to moisturize the skin, but also to protect from the sun. These are the kind of things that we need to discuss after the treatment. And if someone is missing these kind of products, then it's the perfect opportunity to enrich their daily skincare routine.
Taigi visada reikia aptarti su klientais, kokia yra odos priežiūros po procedūros svarba namuose. Tai pagrindiniai žingsniai, kurie yra privalomi kiekvienos dienos, na čia lektorius nekalbės apie savaitės eigos procedūrą, kuomet galima atlikti ir odos šveitimą, tai yra tiesiog pagrindiniai žingsniai, tai prausti, tonizuoti ir drėkinti. Ir ši pagrindinė kasdienė odos priežiūros rutina turi įtakos tiek rezultatui, tiek jo išlaikymui po procedūros. Na ir žinoma, labai svarbu yra apsaugoti odą nuo saulės. Tai jeigu kažkas iš klientų neturi kažkurių iš šių produktų reikalingų pagrindiniams odos priežiūros žingsniams, tai yra taip pat puikia procedūra jų rutiną papildyti, ją praturtinti MC Cosmetics produktais.
Also, an important information, I think some professionals, they understand and they like to explore also this possibility that the exfoliators, the chemical exfoliators that MC offers, both the glycolic and the salicylic based ones, they can be used safely at home under a professional recommendation and guidance. Let's make it this way. If you use the exfoliator that usually the professional uses in the treatment, once a week or maximum twice a week during the treatment program, these will prepare the skin as well for the sessions. And these are totally safe products to be used at home. It's just a matter of understanding if the professional agrees or not. But I think there is some benefits of providing these exfoliators, these chemical exfoliators for a home use to bring the benefits also for the treatment sessions that we are programming.
Taip pat svarbi informacija profesionalams, na, kai kurie turbūt jau žino, kad būtent cheminio šveitimo tirpalai glikolik ir salicilik iš MC Cosmetics gali būti naudojami ir namuose su profesionalo nurodymais, su jo pagalba. Tai jie gali būti naudojama 1-2 kartus per savaitę, jie yra visiškai saugus naudoti namuose. Tiesiog profesionalas turi būtinai apie tai žinoti ir sutikti su tuo. Tai iš tikrųjų yra geras dalykas, kurį verta apmastyti, nes toks reguliarus šveitimas geriau paruošia odą ir procedūroms kabinete.
Also, a correct discussion on the lifestyle and the habits that person has may have some importance for people to understand what's causing these kind of skin issues, and that they can prevent the appearance of more, but also to try to attenuate the already signs they have in their own skin. Okay, so a more educational approach, it's very important, so people understand what they can do to improve the condition and what they shouldn't do to make it worse.
Taip pat labai svarbus klausimas, kurį verta visuomet aptarti su savo klientais, tai yra gyvenimo būdas, gyvenimo įpročiai, nes jie turi tikrai labai didelės reikšmės odos išvaizdai. Todėl yra labai svarbu edukuoti klientus, kad jie galėtų priimti išmintingus sprendimus ir rūpintis savo gyvenimo įpročiais.
So just to make a resume on what we mentioned, MC Cosmetics as a professional treatment brand, we offer 2 major treatment product lines, mesotherapy and peel therapy. And then we offer these kind of professional treatments where we make the professional's life easier by gathering the most important products in a treatment pack that then they can be completed in terms of procedure with other product lines. That's both they meet the needs of a professional session where we need to make all the preparation of the skin, but also to make the specific and correct closing of the treatment. These same product lines, they can be under professional guidance used as a way to maximize the results, to continue the treatment at home. So this creates a balance, and makes a way of everyone being involved and have their own responsibility in the final outcome of the treatment.
Taigi, reziumuojant, MC Cosmetics turi dvi produktų linijas, tai yra mezoterapijos linija ir cheminiai šveitikliai. Ir, žinoma, turi atskirą liniją, tai yra procedūros pakuotėse, kuriuose profesionalas randa visus reikalingus produktus, pagrindinius produktus procedūrai atlikti. Tokiu būdu toks išdėstymas sukuria balansą tarp produktų, nes kiekvienas profesionalas gali pasirinkti, kaip jis atliks procedūrą, kiekvieną procedūrą personalizuoti ir pasiekti pačių geriausių rezultatų.
And I want to finish to say that I'm very excited to be visiting Lithuania soon, where we will have the chance to meet and to speak about all of these options. To go deeper into the product knowledge, also to discuss different possibilities, because this is not a closed concept. It's open to different opinions and procedures. So also I want to take that opportunity to discuss, to get to know your way of working and to share our ideas. Also the latest feedbacks and results that we have been receiving from the market. So I'm looking forward to visit you and to get to know all of you. Yeah.
Tai iš tikrųjų labai nekantrauja Nuno atvykti į Lietuvą, atvykti į mūsų kongresą ir susitikti su mumis ten. Tai gegužės 22 bus renginys būtent su MC Cosmetics, su Nuno, kurio metu jis jau nekantrauja pristatyti rezultatus, pasidalinti žiniomis, pasidalinti informaciją, taip pat nekantrauja išgirsti, kaip jūs taikote produktus, galbūt atradote naujų būdų, nes kiekvienas MC Cosmetics produktas, jis neturi labai griežtų taisyklių, kaip jis būtent turi būti taikomas. Čia yra galima improvizacija ir kaip su Magic Champagne Treatment, matėte, tikrai yra profesionalų, kurie naudoja skirtingai, tai labai nekantrauja pasidalinti su jumis patirtimi, rezultatais ir labai laukia jūs pamatyti renginyje.
So I want to invite you all to come to the Congress, but also to bring your questions, your ideas. This makes this kind of events much more interesting if we interact and if we discuss as professionals, where we will try to bring a little bit of everything, demonstration of the mesotherapy line, demonstration of the pill line, discussion on all the treatments of the brand. So I think it will be quite productive and positive for everyone.
Taigi labai kviečia visus dalyvauti, labai kviečia atvykti, atsinešti savo klausimus, savo idėjas, nes diskutuoti visuomet yra įdomiau. Ir tikisi, kad bus tikrai labai įdomus renginys visiems.
So if no one has any doubts, I think for today the session is completed. Anyway, if you want to make your own questions, I'm totally available for you.
Na tai jeigu niekas neturi klausimų, šiandienos sesiją užbaigsime. Jeigu klausimų turite, galite dar klausti lektorius mūsų paslaugoms. So I can see that there are no questions for the moment. I believe that we will get some afterwards because a lot of people will also be looking at the recording. So thank you very much, Nuno. Thank you for this presentation today, and we are very excited to see you here in Lithuania. Oh, we have one question.
Yes.
What is the duration of the procedure, Magic Champagne?
The duration is around 50 minutes, but this will depend on how many steps we will do and how complete we want to make the procedure. Because if we focus only in the steps that are present in the treatment pack, we could easily do it in 20 minutes. But let's add the time for the preparation of the skin, also the time to proceed with the mask, if that's our choice. It's not a mandatory step. And then, of course, the time to close the treatment. If we do a full protocol, it will take 50 minutes, if not between 20 to 30 minutes.
I'm writing it down also. So 50 minutes, the full protocol.
The
yes?
full protocol, yes.
Mhm. Tai procedūros protokolas yra apie 50 minučių, jeigu tai yra pilnas protokolas, su tinkamu užbaigimu, su tinkamu paruošimu. Na ir žinoma, priklausomai nuo to, kaip atliekame, jeigu sutelkėme dėmesį tik į produktus esančius pakuotėje ir žinoma juodos nuvalymą, tai procedūra gali būti užbaigta ir po 20 minučių. Bet šiaip procedūra su visais žingsniais, su paskui kaukės dėjimu, su tinkamu užbaigimu yra apie 50 minučių. So thank you very much for your answer. If we have any more questions, we will of course let you know, and we will be happy if you can answer them. And for now, thank you very much. Thank you for being here with us, and can't wait to see you next time.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure, and I'm looking forward to see you soon and to get to know all of you. It's a pleasure. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Have
you
a
so much.
beautiful day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.